Hello dear friends, today I am going to install nethuter on my mobile phone. Make sure that you have 15 GB free space. Open your browser and search for fdroid. Open its website and download it. Now open. Wait to update its repositories. It takes some time. Now search for termux. termux. Termux terminal. Open and install it. Now open termux. Now type termux dash setup dash storage. To give storage permissions, allowing. Now type pkg upgrade. To update its package manager, press Y to all. Now type pkg install wget. Now type wget dash capital O install dash nethuter dash termux. Now type a URL. Please type the URL carefully because it is case sensitive. Now press enter. Type ls. Now type chmod plus x install-nethunter. Press enter. Press ls. Now type /install-nethunter to run it. Now press 1 to install full nethuter ARM64. It takes too much time, so wait to install.
Don't close the termux window. Wait for extracting root fs. Now press N and enter. nethuter is completely installed on your termux or on right phone. Type nethuter and enter. This is a command line interface of nethuter. Now type sudo apt update to update its packages. Now type password Kali. Press enter. This is a command line interface of Kali Linux. If you want to graphical user interface of Kali NetHunter, open your browser and search for NetHunter store. Download it. Open and install it. Now search for NetHunter kex. Install it. Now go to your termux and exit it. Now type NetHunter kex passwd to set password. Now type your password, anything you want. Re-enter your password. Now type NetHunter kex. Your VNC server is running on port number 5901. Now open kex and type your password. Press connect. Oh, boom. You are entered in graphical user interface of Kali NetHunter. Thank you. Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe and press the bell icon also.